Okay, so let's try to paint just a simple flower right here. I'm using the big brush. I'm using this one. This is the quill brush and it's a size 6. So let's try to paint a big rose. Okay, not sure if we made the right decision. This is quite a big brush and we have a very small paper. I'm using my Khadi journal and I'm almost done with this journal. I only have a few pages left, so I hope to finish this soon. Okay, so I want to try to use this. Maybe we can put some leaves, and I'm gonna add a bit of brown to my green. I'm using the Art Philosophy paints, so let's try. Okay, so this is one of my favorite half-inch flat brushes. I love the handle and also the size is good for painting small paintings. And now I'm using this color. This is Deep Sea from the Currents set. They just have the most amazing colors from the Current set. I love the blues and the greens in that set. So yeah, guess we can add some more flowers over here. So I don't really have a specific composition. I'm just painting spontaneously. So I hope that this will look good. So when you're painting, my suggestion would be just to use the brush to, you kind of dance with your brush. So just move around your wrist and yeah, don't overthink. I guess sometimes when you overthink, it becomes terrible. The painting looks stressed out because we're overthinking. And okay, so I'm guessing I'm gonna add something right here. I wanna add a bit of like brown and green. This size is really nice. Okay, so kind of wanted to add leaves that are peachy. So it's not the usual color we use for leaves, but kind of want to experiment on it. Okay, so I think I want to add one more flower here, but let's try to add a bit of blue just so it's just more interesting. Just gives you a bit of contrast. This is also from the Current set. This is called Seaside. And okay, let's add Deep Sea. This is Deep Sea. And okay, it's looking good. And then let's add more green right here. Okay, so I'm gonna add more green right here. I added a bit of deep sea. So let me use my flat brush. You can use your flat brush to paint leaves as well. Let's add a bit more color. Just get that contrast. Okay, now let's add some more details right here. So I'm just gonna paint quite fast. Let's add more here. So just do some quick strokes, and then let's add, I think here I'd like more contrast in this area, so just gonna add some details. And okay, let's just add some really loose strokes. I think I want to add a bit more right here at the bottom. Let's tone that down a bit. Okay, it's looking good, but I want to add more details to the blue flower, so it's still a little wet. Okay, I'm just gonna lift the excess paint here because it doesn't look good, and let's try to use this. Okay, so this is just damp, not too dry, just a little damp, and then you can just lift some colors right here. Okay, I think we are okay now. And we are done. So this is our final painting. I hope that you enjoyed watching this first impression and unboxing of the Princeton brushes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos so that you'll be notified. And yeah, so this is the final painting. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.